What if I told you that the secret to living a long, healthy life could be as simple as keeping 5 specific areas of your body clean? Sounds too simple to be true, right? But these aren't just my words. This advice comes straight from doctors and supported by stories of wise elders who learned the importance of these habits, often through tough experiences. In this video, we're diving into the lessons these elders left behind. Stories like Mr. Ravi, who battled constant stomach issues before discovering the power of clean hands, or Aunt Rose, whose discomfort taught her the importance of an often overlooked area. Their wisdom, paired with medical insights, reveals how small acts of hygiene can add years to your life. By the end of this video, you'll not only know which 5 areas are essential to clean regularly, but also how maintaining these habits can protect you from infections, boost your confidence, and help you live a healthier, longer life. Let's get started. Section 1. The importance of clean hands. Let me introduce you to old Mr. Ravi, a retired teacher known for his wisdom and love for books. Despite his sharp mind, there was one simple habit he overlooked: washing his hands regularly. Mr. Ravi, like many of us, often ate without washing his hands, believing it was unnecessary as he didn't see visible dirt. Over time, he began experiencing frequent stomach aches and bouts of diarrhea. Confused and frustrated, he visited a doctor who patiently explained how unwashed hands can transfer harmful bacteria and viruses into the body, especially through food. Mr. Ravi was shocked to learn that the culprit wasn't his cooking or his diet. It was his hands. The doctor emphasized that proper hand washing with soap before meals and after certain activities could drastically reduce the risk of infections like food poisoning and even respiratory illnesses. Mr. Ravi took this advice to heart. Within weeks of adopting this simple habit, his stomach issues disappeared and he felt healthier than ever. This story is a powerful reminder of how a small, everyday habit like hand washing can have a profound impact on our health. The World Health Organization highlights that regular hand washing can prevent illnesses ranging from the common cold to more severe diseases. It's not just about keeping your hands clean. It's about protecting your body from the invisible germs that lurk on surfaces we touch throughout the day. In fact, studies show that proper hand washing can reduce the risk of diarrhea-related diseases by up to 40% and respiratory infections by 20%. This makes it one of the simplest yet most effective ways to protect yourself and your loved ones. So, the next time you sit down for a meal, take a moment to wash your hands. It could be the difference between good health and unnecessary illness. Mr. Ravi learned it the hard way, but you don't have to. Section 2. The hidden danger of unwashed feet. Now let's talk about Grandma Lynn, a passionate gardener in her golden years. She loved nothing more than spending hours tending to her flowers and vegetables, often barefoot to feel connected to the earth. While her gardening brought her joy, it also exposed her feet to dirt, bacteria, and moisture. Over time, Grandma Lynn started noticing redness, itchiness, and peeling skin on her feet. At first, she ignored it, brushing it off as a minor irritation. But soon, the condition worsened into a painful fungal infection that made walking difficult and gardening nearly impossible. When she finally visited a doctor, she was told the issue stemmed from neglecting foot hygiene. The doctor explained that dirt and moisture trapped in her feet created the perfect environment for fungi and bacteria to thrive. Grandma Lynn was advised to clean her feet thoroughly every day, dry them well, and apply moisturizer to prevent cracks and infections. She also started wearing breathable shoes while gardening. Within weeks, her feet healed, and she regained her mobility, along with a newfound respect for foot care. Grandma Lynn's story is a wake-up call for anyone who overlooks foot hygiene. Our feet endure a lot every day, and neglecting them can lead to more than just bad odors. It can cause infections, discomfort, and even circulation problems, particularly in older adults. Regularly washing and drying your feet not only keeps them clean, but also helps you notice any early signs of issues like fungal infections or sores. Good foot hygiene is especially critical as we age because circulation tends to slow down, and the skin becomes thinner and more prone to injury. Clean, healthy feet aren't just about comfort, they're essential for maintaining mobility and independence in your later years. So, take a lesson from Grandma Lynn. Caring for your feet isn't just self-care, it's a step toward a healthier, longer life. Section 3. The often neglected armpits. Let's meet Uncle Joe, a kind-hearted widower who had always been the life of family gatherings. But after his wife passed away, he gradually stopped paying attention to his self-care routines. His family began noticing an unpleasant odor whenever they visited, but they hesitated to bring it up. Over time, Uncle Joe also developed painful skin rashes under his arms, making even simple movements uncomfortable. Finally, his daughter gently brought up the issue, encouraging him to visit a doctor. The doctor explained that Uncle Joe's lack of armpit hygiene had allowed sweat, bacteria, and dead skin cells to accumulate, leading to the odor and skin irritation. Uncle Joe started washing his armpits daily with mild soap, ensuring they were dried thoroughly afterward. Within days, the unpleasant smell vanished, and the rashes healed. Uncle Joe's confidence returned, and he began engaging with his family and friends like he used to. Uncle Joe's experience is more common than you might think. Armpits are one of the body's most active areas for sweat and bacteria. Without regular cleaning, these areas can become breeding grounds for odors and infections. Proper armpit hygiene not only prevents discomfort, but also keeps the skin healthy and free from irritation. For older adults, maintaining this habit is especially important because the skin becomes more sensitive with age. Using mild soap and avoiding harsh scrubbing can help keep the area clean without causing damage. Uncle Joe's story is a reminder that a little extra care can go a long way in improving both health and self-esteem. Don't overlook your armpits. They play a bigger role in your well-being than you might realize. Section 4. The sensitive area around the neck. Let's talk about Aunt Rose, a graceful woman in her 70s, known for her elegant pearls and scarves. She had always taken pride in her appearance, but over time, she began to experience itching and discomfort around her neck. Eventually, small red patches appeared in the folds of her skin, and the irritation grew worse. Concerned, she visited her doctor, who revealed that sweat, dirt, and oils had accumulated in her neck folds, causing a fungal infection. Aunt Rose admitted she hadn't paid much attention to cleaning her neck, especially the folds, assuming it wasn't necessary. The doctor advised her to gently clean the area daily with soap and water, ensuring it was thoroughly dried before applying a light moisturizer to keep the skin healthy. Within a few weeks, the infection cleared up, and Aunt Rose felt comfortable again. From that point on, her hygiene routine included special care for her neck, and she even began educating her friends about it. Aunt Rose's story highlights an often overlooked fact. The neck, particularly the folds of skin, can easily trap sweat, dirt, and bacteria. This is especially true for older individuals whose skin becomes more delicate and prone to irritation. Regularly cleaning and drying these areas prevents fungal infections and discomfort, ensuring the skin stays healthy and smooth. Paying attention to the neck isn't just about hygiene. It's also about preventing long-term skin issues that can impact your comfort and mobility. So, whether you're wearing pearls like Aunt Rose or simply going about your daily routine, don't forget to give your neck the care it deserves. A little effort can go a long way in keeping this sensitive area clean and healthy. Section 5. Intimate areas and their health. Finally, let's discuss a topic many shy away from but is absolutely essential: intimate hygiene. Meet Mr. Bernard, an 80-year-old gentleman who had always valued his independence. However, he began experiencing frequent discomfort and burning sensations while urinating. Embarrassed, he delayed seeking help, but the problem persisted and even worsened. After much encouragement from his son, Mr. Bernard visited a doctor who diagnosed him with a urinary tract infection, UTI. The doctor explained that neglecting proper hygiene in intimate areas was the root cause of his condition. Mr. Bernard admitted he felt embarrassed and unsure about how to care for these areas as he aged. The doctor reassured him, teaching simple, effective practices like washing daily with lukewarm water, avoiding harsh soaps, and wearing breathable fabrics. With these changes, Mr. Bernard's infections cleared up, and he felt more comfortable and confident in his daily life. Mr. Bernard's story is a vital reminder that intimate hygiene is not a topic to avoid. It's a key aspect of maintaining health and preventing infections, particularly as we age. Older adults are more prone to UTIs and skin irritations in these areas due to decreased immunity and skin sensitivity. Keeping intimate areas clean and dry and practicing good hygiene habits can make a significant difference in preventing discomfort and maintaining overall well-being. This isn't just about physical health, it's also about dignity and confidence. Simple steps like gentle cleansing and wearing the right clothing can go a long way in ensuring these sensitive areas remain healthy. Remember, addressing intimate hygiene openly and responsibly is a form of self-respect and an essential part of living a longer, healthier life. Conclusion: taking care of these 5 areas, your hands, feet, armpits, neck, and intimate areas, isn't just about cleanliness. It's about protecting your health and adding years to your life. The stories of Mr. Ravi, Grandma Lynn, Uncle Joe, Aunt Rose, and Mr. Bernard show us how small, consistent hygiene habits can make a world of difference. Remember, living a long and healthy life often starts with simple steps. Which of these habits resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments by typing Chapter 9 if you found this video helpful, or 0 if you feel it could use more details. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights that can transform your health and well-being. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.